Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to increase Filmora export speed in here. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, there are only a few things that you can try so you can increase the speed of Filmora. So basically, the first thing would be is to go to the preferences or the settings, and we will need to enable the hardware acceleration. So here you can go to the file, and from here you will find preferences. Otherwise, you can use these shortcut like Control plus Shift plus comma, and basically you will go to preferences. And if you do not find this in the file menu, you will find this in the edit menu. Now we will be needing like to go to performance, and from here you will need to use GPU acceleration, and that would need like to have like a decent GPU so it can have some effects while exporting. So just enable the hardware acceleration for video rendering and enable hardware acceleration for video decoding. And basically that would help increasing the export speed. And also here in the render, you will need like to use playback using latest rendering engine for better performance. So that would like also increase like the performance of your film more. Other thing, you can try like to automatically have your caches that will be deleted, so it just for a matter to not like fill up your cache folder, etc. And it will be need like to be cleared and cleaned uh, each time. So basically, when you export, also you can like either decrease the quality so you can have less time while exporting, or you can also upgrade your computer so you can have more and better performance. So instead of using like recommend higher and lower, you can start testing by quality. So basically here you can try by quality and you can start to increase either 40% or like only to keep 80%, etc. And then you will need just to export and see the speed. So thank you for watching and see you next time.